My love, finally our day has come. 6 years with you passed by in a blink of an eye. Year 2016 when we met sa isang training sa SGV. Akala ko it was just a normal training, magsisimula at matatapos nang wala akong napupulot. Never would I have imagined I will meet my future husband, then and there.
Finding magic in the days and nights as they're unfolding.
Hi love, making sure Tito gets to walk you down the aisle. See you at the altar. I love you. Pa, alam ko naririnig mo ko. Oh, ito na yon, kakasal na ako. Papangako ko sa'yo na magiging akong asawa at magiging mabuting ama na magiging mga anak namin.
I'll go anywhere with you in the sunlight or underneath the moon. All we have is enough. Take my hand, darling, we were born to run. It's all waiting for us.
So natapos yung training na wala namang ano sa akin, wala namang ako naramdaman. Then Valentine's, the next year, nagbigay siya ng flowers and chocolates and a letter confessing.
So yun, nabasted ako. Pero hindi ako tumigil. So pinagpatuloy ko pa rin yung intention ko sa kanya.
Taking chances on a distant song that moves us forward. In the dark we feel it still.
At dito na sumunod ang isang blessing na hindi mo maintindihan paano mangyari, Jomel. Nakilala ka ng babaeng ito na mas malalim. At doon niya binalikan ang listahan niya. Sa kanyang listahan, yung palang hinahanap niya ay nasa iyo na.
You ticked all the boxes ng mga qualities na hinahanap ko sa isang lalaki. Ito na yon. Why don't I give this man a chance? And so I did, and man, it was the best decision I've ever made.
It's all waiting for us. Writing stories with the stars. Knew we'd get here from the start. Knew we'd get here from the start. I'll go anywhere with you.
I'm so excited to begin this new journey with you. With you by my side, confident akong wala tayong hindi kayang lagpasan. Tara na't simulan ang habang buhay na pamumuhay ng payak at mapayapa. Our forever starts today. I love you.
It's all waiting for us. I see forever when I look in your eyes. Love that is deeper than the blue in the sky. You are my heart. You are my heart. You are my dream come alive. My everything, my like no other. Yeah, I could stay.
As many of our friends know, I did not like you at first. Our love story is definitely not a love at first sight, but I fell in love with you as I got to know you. Minahal kita knowing kung gaano kakabuting tao at your core. You are responsible, loyal, funny, patient, and above all, mahal na mahal mo ang pamilya mo.
I could never forget.
Ma, kinakabahan ako ngayon, pero lagi niyo pa rin akong malalapitan kahit na ikasal na nga ako, kasama na kami ni Rupa, lagi ko pa rin kayo iniisip.
Sobrang dami niyang positive na traits. At his core, sobrang buti niyang tao. Very responsible. Ano ba to? And patient. And above all talaga, sobrang mahal niya yung family niya. Very, very plus po ito.
Of all the things I've ever seen, you're a magic that I never thought I'd find. And there's no in between. You and me will run until the end of time.
Above all, nagpapasalamat ako sa pagmamahal mong walang katulad. Wala akong kailangang gawin, wala akong kailangang patunayan. Mahal mo lang ako. No ifs, no buts. Your love is unconditional, consistent, sure, faithful, and forgiving. Walang hinihinging kapalit, laging nagpaparaya, at lagi akong inuunawa. I am beyond blessed to be loved by a man like you.